Anika and I had been best friends for 4 years. Her family moved into the house next to mine when I was 7 and she was 6. The first day she met me, she asked if I wanted to see her art collection.
What's wrong with you?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure? You're never this quiet.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Is that what I'm supposed to be? What if all this counts for nothing? Everything
Which one do you want?
I don't know.
What if by
Just
the
pick one.
time I realize
I'll choose
it's
this
too
one.
far behind to see? 70 mil projector, I can show you everything. Yeah. And we're on our way to glory, where the show won't ever end, and the encore lasts forever, and it's time with you to spend. Spending the years together, growing older every day. I feel at home when I'm around you, and I'll gladly say again, I hope the encore lasts forever.
I said her rocks were stupid, she threw it at me, and we've been best friends ever since. We started our tradition when I was in kindergarten. We'd collect a rock each year and leave it in the box. Anika named it the friendship box, and we would always leave a rock in it the week before school starts. I guess it's a strange tradition, but it was ours. It's our promise that we'll always be friends, even if we're at different schools.
I'm sorry for acting up at the tree earlier. I'm just scared you're gonna leave me.
Don't worry, we'll be at the same school next year.
But that's a year away.
I know, I'm scared too. You might leave me.
I'll never leave you.
Anika loved her collection, and I loved her. I couldn't walk away from it if I tried. Looking back now, I can't help but laugh about it. Middle school isn't that big of a shift. Clearly, I didn't know how painful the actual goodbye would be.
I still really, really love you. Yes, I do. When I still really, really love you.
Anika died in a car crash a week after her 16th birthday. It wasn't her fault. Some stone chick wasn't looking and hit her.
You can't deny it. Is it love to keep it from you?
The police said she was dead on impact and that it was painless. For her, at least. She was on her way to meet me the night she died. my car battery gave out at this same beach, and I called her to come pick me up. Her parents insisted it wasn't my fault, but they couldn't look me in the eyes after the funeral. I came back today to say goodbye. I'm going to college next week, and everyone's been telling me to move on.
I'm just scared you're gonna leave me.
Don't worry, we'll be at the same school next year.
But that's a year away.
Nothing. I'm fine. Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm scared too. You might leave me.
There's some irony in it, I guess. I promised her she would never be lonely, and here I am alone. The worst part is that we were friends for her whole life and only the beginning of mine. I know I came to let go, move on, and live my life, but
I'll never leave you.
I don't know how to say goodbye.